AirPods overheating while charging can occur, but it's not typical. It's usually triggered by factors like high ambient temperatures, non-certified chargers, or software glitches. We'll explore the primary causes and how to fix them. While rare, consistent overheating can degrade battery life and potentially cause damage. Apple acknowledges the issue and provides guidelines to minimize risks. AirPods utilize lithium ion batteries, which are the power source for these wireless earbuds. During charging, these batteries naturally generate heat as electrical energy is converted into chemical storage within the battery cells. Overcharging or exposure to extreme temperatures can trigger a dangerous condition called thermal runaway. In thermal runaway, the battery heats up rapidly and uncontrollably, potentially leading to performance degradation or safety hazards. Apple's charging process delivers up to 7.5 watts of power, efficiently converting electrical energy from the charger into chemical energy stored in the battery. This conversion process is what provides the power for your AirPods to function. Using inefficient or uncertified chargers can cause voltage spikes during charging. These spikes increase electrical resistance in the battery, generating excess heat and potentially damaging the battery over time. AirPods firmware includes protective algorithms that monitor battery temperature. If temperatures exceed safe thresholds around 45 degrees Celsius, the firmware automatically throttles or slows down the charging process to prevent overheating and protect the battery. If your AirPods are overheating, immediately unplug them from the charger. Move them to a cooler environment. Avoid direct sunlight or placing them on heat-conducting surfaces. Let them cool down completely before attempting to use or charge them again. If the overheating persists, move on to the next steps. One of the most common causes of overheating is using non-certified chargers or cables. These accessories may not regulate voltage and current properly, leading to excessive heat generation. Always use Apple-certified chargers and cables to ensure optimal charging and safety. Non-certified chargers can cause rapid temperature increases, while certified ones maintain safe levels. Check for the Made for iPhone, iPad, iPod logo. Environmental conditions play a significant role in AirPods overheating. Lithium-ion batteries are sensitive to temperature extremes, which can cause thermal runaway and increased heat during charging. Avoid charging your AirPods in temperatures above 35 degrees Celsius, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit. At these high temperatures, the battery's chemical reactions accelerate, generating excess heat that can damage the device and reduce battery life. Similarly, temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit can also cause issues. Cold temperatures slow down battery performance and may lead to inefficient charging that generates more heat when the device warms up. High humidity can exacerbate overheating by allowing moisture to interfere with electrical components and accelerate corrosion. In humid environments, charging can create condensation that increases resistance and heat buildup. To prevent these issues, ensure the charging area is well ventilated and cool. Good airflow helps dissipate heat generated during charging, keeping temperatures within safe limits. Consider charging indoors in a climate-controlled environment, where temperatures remain consistently within the safe range and humidity levels are moderate. This provides the most stable conditions for safe charging. Sometimes, software glitches can cause charging issues. Resetting your AirPods can resolve these problems. To reset, place your AirPods in their charging case, close the lid, and wait 30 seconds. Then open the lid. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes amber, then white. This resets the connection and can resolve charging irregularities. Keeping your AirPods and connected devices up to date with the latest software is crucial for preventing overheating issues. Apple regularly releases updates that improve power management and battery handling. To check for updates, go to your device settings on your iPhone or iPad and look for the software update section. Regular checks ensure you get the latest fixes. The AirPods firmware, such as version 6A301 or later, includes smart algorithms that monitor temperature during charging. If temperatures rise too high, the firmware automatically throttles the charging process to prevent overheating. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your AirPods continue to overheat, it's time to contact Apple support. They can diagnose potential hardware issues or battery problems. If your AirPods are under warranty, you may be eligible for a replacement or repair. Continued overheating can indicate a serious problem that requires professional attention.